For the first time since their trial in the 90s, the Menendez brothers will appear virtually before a judge today.
It is their latest bid for freedom after decades in prison for killing their parents. KCAL News reporter Amanda Starantino is live outside the Van Nuys courthouse with details. Amanda.
Good morning. Yes, Lyle and Erik Menendez will appear before a Los Angeles County Superior Court judge this morning virtually, where this judge could deem the brothers eligible for parole. So in the status hearing for this habeas corpus motion that was filed is essentially going to look at the legality of their imprisonment. So how do we get to this after all this time? Apparently, there's new potential evidence where Erik wrote a letter to his uncle a year before the slayings, writing about the alleged sexual abuse by his parents.
He filed the petition for habeas corpus about 18 months ago. There was a letter that was discovered that Erik had written to his cousin Andy Cano, which predates the homicides. That letter talks about the abuse and his fear of his father.
Also, allegedly, a member of the 80s boy band Menudo has come forward alleging Jose Menendez sexually abused him when Menendez was an executive at RCA Records. Family members of the brothers have also been speaking out to get them released. The brothers are serving life sentences without parole for the 1989 murders of their parents, Jose and Kitty, in their Beverly Hills home. They are both currently incarcerated at a San Diego prison. There are a lot of moving parts here, though. Last month, District Attorney George Gascon filed a motion asking a judge to resentence the brothers, pointing to that new evidence. This resentencing recommendation is asking for the brothers who are serving life without the possibility of parole to change to a sentence of 50 years to life in prison. So since the brothers were youthful offenders at the time and under California law, they can't be eligible for parole after 25 years. Lyle and Erik have served 35. However, the next hearing for the brothers is set for December 11th. By then, the new district attorney, Nathan Hochman, will have been sworn in. So Hochman, in an interview with KCAL, says he has not taken a position on the resentencing because he does not have access to confidential documents and files until he takes on his new role as DA in early December.
I owe it to the Menendezes, I owe it to the victim family members, I owe it to the public to make sure that if I do weigh in on this case, it's a decision that has been thoroughly vetted, thoroughly thought through, and I actually can defend in court.
And Governor Gavin Newsom could pardon the brothers. However, he has said that he's going to wait for the new DA to make his decision before moving forward with any of that. So no cameras allowed in the courtroom this morning, but with a lot of eyes on this case, especially after that Netflix drama and those documentaries that came out this summer that so many people saw. There's this renewed public interest in the case. So 16 seats have been set aside for the general public in the courtroom here in Van Nuys. If you want to get one of those seats, you need to show up here at the Van Nuys courthouse around 8 a.m. to get tickets for a lottery that will be happening at 9 a.m. The hearing starts around 10:30. KCAL will be in the courtroom. We will, of course, provide details of what happens in the courtroom right here on KCAL News. Live in Van Nuys, I'm Amanda Starantino, KCAL News.
Amanda, thank you.